Welcome back. Today I would like to show how to proceed for attending online classes through Microsoft Teams. This is especially useful for all new admission cases. Yeah, especially 11th standard and any new admissions that are those who are joining newly into our school. Right, here I show. See, I'm going to my browser, and there in the browser I will enter teams.microsoft.com. Okay, once you enter teams.microsoft.com, you can see, alright, so it's loading based on the internet speed and bandwidth of your internet, right, and based on the storage of your computer, based on the RAM speed of your computer, it will take time. And now once it is loaded, you have to enter your, see, already I am signed in. If you are not signed in, you just, what you do is, just let me sign out and sign in again, so that you people will understand. So once I enter teams.microsoft.com, so here we go. Team. If your brother or sister is already using, this is how you sign out, and you will sign into your account. Okay, do not use your sister's or brother's account to log into your class. Okay, so because your attendance is also very much important, enter your username and password, whatever is password that you have reset, and the username that was provided by the school, that is with the extension @kvhebbal.edu.in, right? So now once you have entered the username, that is with the domain kvhebbal.edu.in, and if you have entered the proper password that you have reset, okay, you have changed the password, right? That changed password only you should enter. Now children, don't enter @gmail.com or any other email. Only the user ID provided by the school you should enter. If you have entered it properly, then you will be taken to all the teams that you belong to, that is all the class groups, right? So here I go to my teams. See, for example, if 11th C, so I'll go, if you want to search, you can search here, right? So or else if you want to just go to your teams, that way this you can scroll down and you can go to 11C. Once you go to 11C or particular class which you belong, you will see all these subjects. Okay, so subject teachers will not be posting in general tab. Okay, general tab is mainly to discuss other general matters like any parent teacher meetings or any other things. Okay, so now you can see, go to your subject channel. So here the particular teacher must have posted the link, calendar activity they must have scheduled, that is as per your timetable. See here, for example, I have already scheduled an activity, that is 11th C Computer Science by Mrs. Kiran Kumari K, occurs every Wednesday and Saturday at 9 am. So this link, if you click, purple color link, if you just click, you will be permitted to join. Okay children, so if already meeting is started, then you can see the notification like, see, join, I can click. So once you join, you are redirected to your video and audio and devices. So here, if you want to turn off your camera, click here. Turn off your or mute your microphone, click here and click join now. Then you are in the meeting, that is in the virtual classroom where your teacher is teaching, and you also can like a video call and all, no? So that way you can. So if you want to show your video, just turn on camera. If you want to speak something, you just unmute yourselves and speak, right? So if you want to ask any doubt, okay, so here the video is it is showing different thing. So what do? I just want to show device settings. Here whatever the appropriate device you are supposed to use, that one you will select. Speakers, that is to hear whatever the audio is coming out. Microphone is if you want to speak, that is input. and camera is also input if you want to show your video. Okay, so right, participants, here we can see all the participants. Right now no one is there, right? So only I'm there, right? So now whatever the screen being shared also you can see. And if you want to turn your Teams meeting into full screen mode, just enter into the full screen mode. And if you want to raise any clarification, any doubt, if you want to ask, just you can click on raise hand. Then the particular organizer will be notified with that raise hand. So lower your hand, and then you can even have the conversation if you have any doubts. So using this conversation you can chat with your teacher. Okay, so now hang up is to leave the meeting. So this is just I clicked leave the meeting. Is it clear? Okay, so now you can see, no, if already that meeting is started, others can see. Just a few minutes back you would have seen, right? Another it is already going on. Click on join. Okay, so I am not doing any changes to my scheduled activity. Instead, just click on this and join also you can do. Okay, so here you can see all the members of this channel, and if you have any doubts, so here you can start the conversation. Okay children, so is this clear to everyone? So here you can start the conversation, as you have already started conversation in the general channel of 11th C. So these channels are nothing but subjects. Okay, so every teacher will be posting that calendar activity in the respective channel. Just go to, as you are aware of your timetable, just go to that particular subject and click on the whatever the activity, calendar activity, scheduled calendar activity is there, and join. Click on join. So once you join, that's it. That is how you can attend your online class. Once the class is over, if the session was recorded, that recorded session will appear here. If any files are shared, everything is available in files posts here. So all these tabs will be visible to every one of you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead, and wonderful online classes ahead. Thank you.